Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dispenser-to-tub hose in your front-load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the rear screws securing the top panel. Remove the panel. Using a 7mm socket, loosen the 2 screw clamps securing the old hose to the dispenser and the outer tub. Pull the old hose free. Prepare the new dispenser-to-tub hose for installation by transferring the 2 screw clamps from the old hose to the new one. Using the alignment arrows, position the appropriate end on the tub port and the opposite end on the dispenser port. Tighten the screw clamps. Realign the top panel and secure it with the screws at the rear. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and your front-load washer should be ready for use.